Guys, welcome to my vlog. Good evening everyone. Happy birthday. I'm here again in Lulu. I'll go to the department store. I need to buy for our King's Gate Christmas party. We have Christmas party on Saturday. I'm thinking what I'm gonna buy for the King's Gate. I need to put this down. See, this small is middle food. That is white color, brown. I don't know what I'm gonna buy for a change gift.